Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be taking a look at GBPUSD, okay, or British Pound versus the US dollar. And as you can see, right now the price is right around 367, okay. And when we saw the week, this is just the Mondays, okay, when the market opened on 23rd of August, 23rd of August. And as you can see, we did manage to push to the upside, and this is a pretty good bullish candle. But like, what was I expecting on for GBPUSD? And what I'm still expecting is that the market will kind of continue to push to the downside, okay? And like when I say that, I personally mean that we are about to kind of break through the structure right here, to these kinds of flows right here. Okay, this is what I'll be personally looking at for. But for something like this to happen, oh my god, that was bad. I will personally be looking something for like this to happen, okay, and then kind of continue the downside move. But it is always up to you what you want to do. But I will get more in depth. Why do I think that? Also, you can kind of draw this trend line right here. As you can see, we are in a clear downtrend. To be honest, we are in a clear downtrend. Have been making these new like lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, for right now, we made it lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high right now. And like for right now, this was also, this low was also not the yearly low, or was it? It could be. No, it was not a yearly low, but it was a pretty good low, as you can see, from back from basically 5th of February. We have not been that low right there, so it was a pretty good low. And also, like when I'm looking at the chart right now, I'm taking uh like they like what I'm looking at the chart is right there. Here we had a pretty good support right here. That this level pretty much held pretty good support, and it is at 136.7 and 133.66. Okay, so this was a pretty good level. And when I'm looking at the chart, we could probably do something like this right now, because we're at that level. And what we tend to do at supports, they were firstly support, now they are a resistance. We tend to kind of push to the downside, okay. But these are just probabilities. This is not a financial advice or anything like that. We could also probably just excuse me about that, but we could also just probably push, like go to the lower time frame, to the 4 hour time frame, and use the chart right here. As you can see, at this probably the exact same area, what happened, we used it as support again. We did not manage to break through that. We did manage to come to this zone, not basically this zone, but we did manage to push to the upside. And like that's how the chart moves. Like a lot of the times, we also have a pretty good level right here. That was a support that could be retested. But for right now, when I'm looking at the chart, I will just like personally use the Fibonacci retracement right here. Okay, the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, we are at the 382 level. But personally, for me, well, like what I will be looking for is to maybe touch this zone right here, and it is the like, of course, the 0.5, then 618, and I will not be looking for a touch at the 786 area. I mean, it could happen, but I'm not looking for it right now, because I think that we're about to push to the downside from there on. Okay, but let me know what are your thoughts about it. We can also do something like this. Okay, but yeah, and this looks like on the higher time frame. As I said, I think that we are about to push to the downside, but these are just big levels, okay, and these are just huge predictions that should not be taken as granted, because I may be wrong with GBPUSD. And yeah, that's about it for today's video about GBPUSD. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. We can also go to the lower time frame, of course. On the lower time frame, we are making the new higher highs and higher lows. But yeah, and yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.